Hey guys, welcome back to LaMeel Magic. I am Priestess LaMeel from LaMeel.com, where I teach about manifesting magic, spirituality, and high vibrational living. If you're interested in working with me, all of those links are below. This video is day 15 in my video series on igniting your intuition. And so these are very quick videos that teach you a ritual that you can implement in your day to help ignite, intensify, and grow your intuition. Today we are on day 15, which means we are more than halfway through. And so this ritual might be a little weird for you because it's going to be totally different than what we've done before. And hopefully each one of these has been totally different than anything you've ever done before. But today, you're going to get to let your intuition answer your question completely, right? So we worked our way through the book, getting the answer through the book. We worked our way through getting an answer through the coin. Now, this is about letting intuition answer you through you. So write it up. You need to get your journal, you need to get a pen, and you need to think of an issue that you want your intuition to guide you to the resolution of, or to guide you into the maneuvering through, or something of that nature. But you want to get your journal out and come up with an issue. So for this example, I will say the issue is, I don't know, I don't get along with a coworker. Okay, so when you open your journal, you're going to first write your name, your full name across the top. And then I want you to write your address. Why? Because you're allowing what is true to kind of flow and set the base, right? Then you're going to write dear, comma, go to the next level, and you're going to write whatever, however, comes to you and through you. So, dear LaMeel, no worries. This coworker only gives you a hard time because there are a lot of things in you they see that they wish that they had in themselves, and they are not yet developed enough to understand that, and to understand that befriending you would be a better way of developing these qualities and understanding where they need to grow than antagonizing you and trying to sabotage your work efforts. The best way to maneuver through this would be to send lots of light and love to this person. If you're carrying negative energy, channel that negative into one of your dark stones and cap it away. This coworker will soon no longer even work here, because the more light and the more expansive you become, the more uncomfortable they become, and they will remove themselves. Boom. There you have it, right? And so that I clearly just came, and that's probably a direct answer for you, or you, one of you. That's a direct answer because you're scared about doing the journaling. So if that was your scenario, that was your answer. But once you've done that, you may then ask, like, feel like somebody's in here with me. More than likely it's my dad, and he's rubbing on my arm. Okay, so what's the next step for me here, right? Is the question that you would ask. What's the most positive thing out of this situation? The positive thing out of the example that I gave you is that your light is shining brighter and people are noticing, and that's good. That means that you're growing. What's the most pressing thing for me to do is to stay the course and don't buy in, don't partake of the lower energy activity. Okay, so again, those were the answers, but the questions I want you to ask. So you're going to write your name, write your address. You're going to already have an issue that you want to resolve. Open your journal, write your name, write your address, dear whoever you are, and let it flow. And when you're done, then come back and ask your higher self, your intuition, what's the next step for me in this situation? What's the most positive thing in this situation? And what's the most pressing thing? What is the thing that is most pressing, or that I need to learn, or what have you? Or anything else you want to know. Anything, because everything is already within you. So let me know how this goes for you. I love the journaling. I discover so much about myself every time I journal. I hope you do too. I really hope that you enjoy this and it expands you. And I can feel that this is going to be a transformational exercise for all of you who partake of you. I can feel you too, that is like, I'm not doing that. That's a waste of time. Right. And so you will be where you are next year, and that's okay, because this video will be here for you next year when you're ready to do something more. However, for the rest of us that plan to get the most out of 2020, that plan to take advantage of the abundance that 2020 is offering, that plan to live our best life and make 2020 the best year we've ever had thus far, do the journaling. Let me know how it goes for you. I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow in the next video.